Hey, it's Hot Rod Ronnie. Get out here early, man, and get something done. I got this Corvette on a lot of places for sale, 18.5. A steal for this car. I'm just going to do a quick video, walk around, start it up. I've had the paint all buffed and waxed since the last time. Got some awesome shots from up on top of the roof. All new interior, door panels, seat covers, carpet. Got the custom shift around it, no radio. Alright, let's start it. The side pipes sound quite awesome. I'll tell you one thing, anybody that gets this car is going to get some eyeballs going down the street cruising. She's nasty too. 468, 632 inch lift pump cam, roller lifter, roller rockers, I'm sorry, sidler lifter cam. Done as a Baldwin Motion replica paint scheme. TM2 rectangle port. That's why the carburetor sits sideways. I guess that's enough. Everybody get the idea of what it's like. Too bad. Later.